Hi, I'm Dave Bayless. In this video, I'm going to present a framework for constructing a clear, concise, and powerful value proposition for your new product or service. Having a great idea for a product or service is simply the end of the beginning. Innovation is a collaborative process that requires adoption by users. An idea isn't likely to become an innovation unless it offers a compelling value proposition. A clearly articulated value proposition serves as a beacon in the fog. It helps you rally resources, understand and resolve key uncertainties, and make good decisions regarding inevitable trade-offs in design, manufacturing, sales, and marketing strategies. Doug Hall is a new product expert. Over the last 20 years or so, Doug has analyzed thousands of new product concepts. While a whole host of factors determine the ultimate success of a new product, Doug's research shows that a clearly articulated value proposition is a necessary, if insufficient, contributor. I'm going to borrow from Doug's framework, which he calls marketing physics, in order to define the components of a strong value proposition. Value is contextual. That is, it's personal, relative, and time-sensitive. If we are to assert that a product is valuable, we must be able to answer the following questions. Valuable for whom? Relative to which alternatives? And when is our product particularly valuable? Once we understand the context, the strength of the value proposition is a function of three drivers: overt benefit, real reason to believe, and dramatic difference. An overt benefit is a clear, concise answer to a couple of straightforward questions. What's in it for me, the customer? And why should I care about your product or service? Providing a real reason to believe means explaining how you are going to make good on your promise. Last, but certainly not least, you must articulate a dramatic difference relative to alternatives in order to get prospective users to change their behavior from the status quo. To some degree, these drivers are substitutes for one another. For example, startups can often overcome a relatively low reason to believe if they successfully articulate an overt benefit and a dramatic difference. All models are wrong. Some are useful. I believe that there's ample evidence that Doug Hall's model is useful. The framework is validated by a comparison of the predicted success rates of 900 products, based upon a scoring of overt benefit, real reason to believe, and dramatic difference, to the market results of the products. It's been said a million times, but it bears repeating. Focus on benefits, not features. Make the benefits overt, because people are too busy and there is too much noise in their lives to assume that they'll infer the benefit of your product or service. Furthermore, focus on the most powerful benefits in the context of your target customer. The probability of success actually declines when there are 3 or more claimed benefits. According to Hall, there are 5 strategies for communicating real reason to believe: kitchen logic, personal experience, pedigree, testimonials, and guarantees. Kitchen logic conveys how the benefit is delivered using language that prospective customers can easily understand and quickly relate to. For example, consider this statement: we have the freshest bread because we bake it right here. Personal experience is about providing your customers with the opportunity to see, feel, and experience your product benefit. Sampling, demonstrations, and sensory feedback are all ways to provide real reason to believe via personal experience. Watch us make our bread, smell the aroma, and taste a sample right out of the oven. Pedigree is about providing confidence by detailing the heritage behind your product or service. In Hall's framework, there are 3 types of pedigree: development pedigree, marketing pedigree, and trademark pedigree. Development pedigree involves providing credibility as the result of the design, creation, formulation, or production process behind a product. For example, our bread is made from wheat grown in Montana to our precise specifications regarding protein and water content. Alternatively, the following statement is an example of marketing pedigree. Our bread is a 3-time winner of the Great American Bake Off. Trademark pedigree derives from an established and trusted brand name. Note that while a reputable brand can be a strong source of pedigree, it's not the only source. Testimonials can be from customers, experts, or independent third parties, and can substitute for personal experience. Lastly, a guarantee, if it is big, bold, and credible, can provide a powerful reason to believe. In order to get customers to change their behavior, that is, get them to buy your product, you have to offer something that is perceptively different from the status quo. Furthermore, the competitive bar is rising faster than you might think. A performance improvement of just 15% per year means the status quo threshold doubles every 5 years. Because it takes time to bring a new product to market, you would better build in a truly dramatic difference today in order to succeed in the market tomorrow. To sum up, innovation is the objective, and the value proposition is the navigational beacon. Concisely articulated overt benefit, real reason to believe, and dramatic difference can guide evaluation, screening, development, and the successful commercialization of new products and services.